Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to use the pen tool on Photoshop. I know the pen tool on Photoshop is a bit, how will I put it, is a bit um difficult for you as a beginner to use on Photoshop. So I'm going to show you guys how to um go about using the pen tool to trace out an image or to create even a shape on Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Yeah, so this is the image we're going to be using. I got this Apple logo image on Pinterest. The resources will be available for you guys in the description. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the pen tool to trace out this image here on Photoshop. So let me um duplicate it first. So by pressing Ctrl D on my keyboard, then I'm going to select my pen tool now. There are different types of pen tool. We have the free form pen tool, the curvature pen tool. So we're going to use the pen tool first. So we're going to, let me zoom in very well. So let me, okay, set my pen tool back, then pick a point. You can start from anywhere. Then now let me do this the way I usually do it. So let me undo it, then click a point, then click the other side, then drag. If you drag it, you drag your mouse. It's better you use a mouse so that you will feel, you will drag it well. So you drag, make sure it touches the point where it has curved very well. Then you click on Alt on your keyboard, then after clicking on Alt on your keyboard, you select it, so it will drag it. Then you do the same for the other one to drag, or better see, if you cannot drag it, if you not get the point where you can use the what you call it, curvature pen tool to curve it. But it's advisable you use a mouse. That's if you don't have a mouse. So that's what we use. Then you can see I'm using the curvature tool just to show you guys how to use it also. Yeah, and so make sure everything is aligned together, not that everything will be this thing. Then you click on after doing that, you click on shape. Immediately it turns the image you cut out using the pen tool to a shape. So you click on shape already. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys the results after. So now let's deal with the apple now. So we're going to click back on our pen tool, then pick a point, then we set it, then we drag, make it align well, then you press on I think it did not do well, let me do it well. Okay, then we'll hold our Alt key, then select on it, then pick another point again, then we'll drag, make sure you drag it well, drag, yeah, I think it's perfect. Yeah, you press Alt, then we pick another point. if it was me, it's because I'm doing showing you guys how to do it. Normally I would just put it to that point, the end point, then use the cover shot to curve it, but I have to show you step by step. Then we'll pick a reasonable point, then we drag. Yeah, we drag, then click on alt. We hold our alt key and then select it. We'll pick another point. Oh, it's not. Pick another point, then we drag like this. You have to get the exact point so that you will not, the result will not look how will I put it, not look bad. We'll repeat the whole process until we are done with the whole shape. So we're going to pick a reasonable point, then we drag, hold our alt key, click on the next point, then we drag like this. Yeah, then we hold the alt key, then we put it to the next point. What's going on? Okay, yeah, it's the Photoshop that is a bit lagging. Then we drag, make sure it's positioned. Oh, not well done. Yeah, pick a point that is nice, then we drag it, then we hold our alt key, drag, place it to the next, drag a bit, not do well, so you have to drag it well to make it do the curves well. Then we'll do how to pick it from a little bit not too far from me, the next previous point. Then we'll drag, hold our alt key, then we put it to the next point, we drag, and then hold our alt key to. The reason why we're holding our alt key is because if we don't hold the alt key and then select on that anchor point, is not the, when you want to draw the next point, it's going to go to the direction of that the line that is drawing when you are dragging it, so it's going to go to the wrong direction. So you have to hold the alt is to cut the anchor point and then start from where you continue from where you stop. So it's just to break the point, then you start for the next one, then like that. We're almost done. Make sure it's drag it well like this, then next point we drag, then balance it. No, not do well. Let me take the other points nearer. Okay, just like this. Then the next point. What's going on? I think Photoshop is hanging again. Okay. Then the next point. Let me see what's okay. Did not do well. Just trying to. Okay. That's the reason we have to make sure you drag the point well, the line well, so that you won't have a very bad result then. But if it was a normal design I'm working on, I will just use the cover shot tool to curve the part that needs to be curved, then continue, but I have to slow down and then show you guys how it is being done. So we're going to drag like this, and yes, it's advisable you have a mouse, either wireless or what do you call it, or wired mouse. So you do it like this, then you join it to the first point you made at the beginning. Then after doing that, you just click on the shape on the menu bar. Yeah, if you want to see the results, let me turn off you can use this what do you call it, direction tool to adjust the points. I've seen a mistake already due to the way I'm doing the tutorial. You can see all those places that did not do well, so you can use, if it was when I was maybe doing the stuff on a design, I will make sure the points are well curved. Like this place now is not well done. You can use this direction to curve it, like remove the anchor point and then do it the proper way, or use the curvature tool to do it well also, so that it will do well, so that it will curve well. You can see that I'm trying to make it look more good, but it's not that okay. You don't need to rush it. That's one thing. You have to be patient when you are doing this using the pen tool, so that you have a good result. So that's it. Let's try. I downloaded 2 images, so let's try the second one. This bat image, this bat image here. So let me zoom in well. Yeah, so select the pen tool. You can see this one have even lots of up down like a curves. So I'm going to be patient about it. Then we drag it, then Alt, click on our Alt key, then we drag, make sure it's aligned, then we drag, place it there to the next point, then we drag, make sure it's well placed, then Alt key, drag it again to the next point, click on our Alt key, and then drag it to the next point, and then make sure it's well curved, drag it, place it there to the next point. I think it's too far, even though it's still too far. There's still a way you can use your mouse to drag it to the direction of where you want, but you have to be extra careful when you are doing that, so that you will not have a bad result at the end of the day. So you have to be very careful and then patient about it. Then the next one, drag it like this, then Alt key, drag this one curved, then just a little bit. Okay, click on the Alt key, and the next point we drag to the particular angle. get the correct thing. Okay, you can see I'm trying to make it align with that the curve, make the curve to be aligned, then drag, click on the alt, place it to the next one. Do not do well. Okay, drag it, the alt key, then the next one. The next one, the alt key, then this up, the next one, then down until it meets the final first one you did. Then click on shape, then let's add a solid color to see our results. So I'm going to make it black. You can see I've never even changed it to another colors. So let me turn it off and turn it on for us to see the results. You can see the results. This one is well done than the first one. Yeah, so that's it on how to use the pen tool to trace out an image or a shape on Photoshop. So if you find this tutorial helpful, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button also, and then turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another tutorial like this. And also share this tutorial to someone who may need it also. So see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.